Hey everyone, welcome to TradinginDemand. Today, just another morning post. I am at a hotel, so my audio might not be as good, but if you guys have any recommendations or any changes for what I should do, just let me know. Before we get into everything, as usual, if you guys would like to check out my Discord, we have my morning plans, my commentary, my journals. We have some other people that post stuff. Just trying to build a community of like-minded traders, as you do. But going into 221 on a Tuesday. Yesterday was President's Day, it was a holiday. I still made a video just to keep my practice going and whatnot. But I was looking at my supply and demand where we usually start, and not many zones really. Last night I was looking and I deleted my big 12 hour, the one that was a little too big. Or oh, never mind, it got invalidated last night. We had a 12-hour form back on Friday, right here, corresponded with the 12-hour I had. But as you see, prices moved through, came back up, it touched this key level. I will be watching this 47.25, not for a trade, but possibly see how market reacts. If we can get above this 4067, then most likely I could see bulls dragging us up to the 12-hour, and I'm not sure, no one can tell the future, but market is not looking very bullish, in my opinion. It's looking like it wants to come down here to 4027. But if we can hold 4050 right here, then it'll tell us what we need to know. But you can see we kind of had a drop, base. The market just doesn't really, there's no pullbacks, there's no buying. Whenever there's no buyers here to push market back up. Go back to the 15 minute, just see what we got. We do have this little 15-minute demand zone. I usually don't chart these or put much thought behind them, but it's the only zone that we have right here at the bottom. So I thought might as well give us something to, if we break this, we do have, you see right here, have a low volume node. Plus, we have the low volume node for the day's action, Tuesday. Right down here, you can see volume tapers off as soon as we come into the 4050, 4050, 4047 range. And let's go on this chart real fast before we go to that one. We are in a weekly low volume node, you can say. You can see over here is the yearly profile. Pull this all away. Yearly profile over here. You can see we have price moving, we have volume moving lower on the profile, which I will look to use, such as like right here, volume. There was not as much volume at these zones, at these levels, except for right here. That's because we had a little consolidation and buyers and sellers were not able to move price in either direction at that moment. We do have this zone I put inside of the weekly extreme, the weekly edge, right over here, 4050 area, around the current value area low of the week. And with this, we could look to take a trade. That's what I'm deciding right now, if I want to. A target could be getting long here, and if we can move up, it could be very lucrative, but can't tell the future. But if we can get long down here, we could possibly target the day VPOC of Friday. Price still has not came up here and touched it. It's just sitting there, and it's a level that I think we probably will reach. Maybe this week, maybe not. Can't tell the future. but I can just give you guys the info that I'm looking at. So if price can move down here to this 40.45, 40.51 zone, then I will be looking to take long with my stop at the 40.45 as I usually do. As you can see over here, this is cumulative data delta. Sorry, I just woke up. I'm trying to wake up still. And you can see buying is still strong. We still have some dips, but it never really affected the overall delta trend. And we do have some buying over here. We have 272, but most of all, it's just selling. There is not much buying in this demand zone. We are also in the value area. I don't trade in the value area, but move that out here. Not too important. It's more of a confirmation when I went into trades. And yeah, we can move possibly to the daily. See what we got here. The buttons I'm hitting to make it big is Control Alt X and Control Alt R brings it back. Just to let you guys know. We do have this channel. We're moving down. This channel, we're holding it at the bottom right here. Kind of. We kind of broke lower, but buyers do seem to want to hold it. I am thinking we move up to the 4098 and the 4100 after the 498. So this is the whole area. I feel like we're going to move it to it. It's setting up pretty nicely. I'm not going to buy at this demand zone, but if we do drop into this daily low volume node daily edge, then definitely we can look to trade. And what else do we have? I think that's all. But yeah, we came back down to this 4049 level. If we do break this, then we most definitely will see price drop probably to here. Let me let's go over here. Go to extended rectangle. I could see price dropping down to here. Oops, sorry guys. That's not that far of a drop, but it could gain some points if you're able to go short. But if we don't hold this level, then I most likely will be back in the 3900s. But don't look too far in the future as we have price. This candle does not look great for a 12 hour, and we can check on the daily, I believe. We gotta do it exactly. Here we are. Load this up real fast. I did kind of fix my load times. I can make a video on how to do that possibly if you guys are interested. Oh, it went to 1 minute. There we go. 1 day. And it should be good. I should really I should really change this one up here. But yeah, on the daily, it's just as bad. It's a rally based drop. Not the best to look at, but price is just not really bulls are just not here to move price higher. If we do break the 40.49 level, I will most likely look for an area to short. I'm not trading it as soon as we break it, but it will be something to look for. I did not enter long here because I was waking up still, and I was getting my zones ready. I missed the trade, but if we move down to it, could be a good trade to look for. But I think that's all for today. You guys have a great day, and actually, you know what? I think we can look at trading view for a second. Here we go. This one was dollar. USD futures. Alrighty. So you can see prices move lower, like we said before. The NQ has more rebounded. It's found a bottom, found a base, and except for like you see over here, what is this? 15. The SP 500 has it just can't really find that bottom like the NQ has. If the NQ is able to come back here to 299, 300 area, then most likely we might see results come from that buying if there is any support here. But as you can see, as the market is moving lower, the volatility index is getting a little higher. We're over at 22 now. If we get up to the 20, 24, 26 area, that's when we should look to be concerned. Maybe use this for analysis. And the dollar is just rising off of the drop. As we talked about last time, they are different. They are opposite of each other. So yeah, that's something to look forward to. I don't use these much. Just every so often, I like to look at them. Mostly, I look at the SP 500 and the NQ, and the NQ shows buying. The SP 500 does not. So it's a little different there. But we're back here. So I hope you guys have a great day and trade your plan.